Hello and welcome back friends. So now friends, after watching the last two lectures which were the overview to jQuery for mobile and instructor introduction, I am sure that you are very much familiar that what you can do after this course and who is your instructor. So now, in this lecture I will introduce you to jQuery mobile. I am not going to introduce you in that way like who developed this and what was the way and any other thing. But I am going to tell you that why this framework is very popular and what all devices are using this and supporting this. So now starting with the first part, jQuery Mobile is basically a framework for creating mobile based applications. So as you all know that jQuery Mobile is used to create mobile apps. So in this way it is a framework for creating mobile based applications. Secondly, jQuery Mobile works on all popular smartphones and tablets. So a basic advantage of jQuery Mobile is it works on all popular smartphones and tablets. Now, very minimum scripting is required for working on jQuery Mobile because it uses HTML5 and CSS3 for designing applications. So, HTML5 and CSS3, as you all know that these are the very basic programming languages if you are considered as a website designer or developer. So these two languages are very easy to learn and in this way a very minimum scripting is required. So another advantage of jQuery for mobile. Now what is jQuery mobile? So this will be the very first question if you are attending any of interviews on jQuery for mobile. So the answer is jQuery mobile is a touch optimized. So a touch optimized which I have given in red part is very important word. So web framework for creating mobile web applications. So it is a touch optimized mobile framework. jQuery mobile works on all popular smartphones and tablets which include iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Palm Web OS, Windows Phone and Migo. So as you can observe here that every popular companies and smartphones are included here. So this is the basic point like iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone. So these are all the things for phone. Now it is working on all possible popular devices. jQuery Mobile is built on the top of the jQuery library which makes it very easy to learn. So as you all know that jQuery is not a particular programming language. It is just a framework of JavaScript, but it itself is a very huge framework as we can tell it a programming language. Now why we use jQuery for mobile? Since jQuery mobile takes the write less do more concept to the next level. As you all know that jQuery is given a title write less and do more. It automatically designs web pages with an attractive and easy to look that will work the same way on all other devices. Now, as you all know that iOS is written in Objective-C. You can also say that Android and BlackBerry are written in Java. Windows Phone in C, Sharp and .NET. So jQuery Mobile uses HTML5 and CSS3 which is standard for all mobile browsers. So you don't have to use or install any other programming or software part to run on this part. It can be easily run on iOS, Android, BlackBerry and Windows Phone and many other operating systems. So friends, I am sure that you understood that why we are learning jQuery for mobile for designing mobile applications. So we will get into depth and when we come for the further lectures. So we'll soon meet in the next lecture with some new practical concept. Till then, thank you for watching this lecture.